Innovate your production site with digital twin technology. The manufacturing industry is heading to the next phase by combining the real and virtual worlds. Digital twin technology is now expanding the possibilities of manufacturing. Things and processes from the real world are reproduced in a virtual space, allowing conditions to be visualized and analyzed. That's what's possible with new digital twin technology. However, most software is designed for only certain functions, and there are limits on the extent to which entire sites can be reproduced and improved. In order to solve this issue, Denso Wave makes use of the Unity game engine and real virtual I/O production assets to develop software that can reproduce and operate entire production sites in a virtual space. Unity offers a rich library of assets to enhance digital twin spaces, along with the excellent physics-based 3D technology that only a game engine can provide. When combined with real virtual I/O assets, Unity allows you to intuitively control robots using a specialized GUI and easily configure a simulation of entire pieces of equipment. The included Denso Robot models and programming software are linked closely, allowing for robots to be taught. This significantly reduces the amount of adjustment work required to introduce new equipment. It allows you to optimize each process and accelerate improvements. It also allows you to quickly detect signs of malfunction based on operation data, helping to reduce downtime. Significantly reduce the amount of adjustment work required to introduce new equipment. Digital twin technology can be used from the design phase to verify and simulate a new production line prior to actually introducing it. Our solution helps you to visualize potential issues from the design phase, optimizing equipment design processes and reducing costs and risks related to redoing work. Design reviews conducted on the simulation screen can also help you to more easily build consensus. Building a virtual space using digital twin software allows you to create real-time simulations. It also allows you to verify actual cycle times. Real-time monitoring allows you to monitor device conditions, analyze operation data, and quickly detect signs of malfunction. This allows you to reduce downtime and perform maintenance more efficiently. It also allows you to respond quickly when an abnormality does occur, helping to improve productivity. Digital twin software allows you to easily simulate entire pieces of production equipment, from design and verification to operation and improvement. Digital twin technology can help bring your manufacturing to the next stage.